latest daily weather forecast today, December 12, 2016, nearly early evening, 5 p.m. So we're gonna find out the latest update for our weather until tomorrow. So today, the weather or the daily weather forecast for Pagasta today is the low pressure area is estimated near the areas in the vicinity of Buena Vista, Quezon. So the northeast monsoon will affect the northern Luzon, could bring light rains there. So the said low pressure area will bring moderate to occasionally heavy rains and thunderstorm, which may trigger a flash flood and landslide will be experienced and prevail over the areas of Quezon and Camarines Norte. So they are alerted against flash flood and landslide, while here in Metro Manila, light to moderate rains is expected in areas except Metro Manila, Bicol Region, Calabar Zone, Northern Samar, Cagayan, Isabela, Aurora, and Marinduque. In other parts of the country could experience a partly cloudy to cloudy skies with like isolated rain showers or thunderstorm. So we can update you to our latest GFS model. Sa GFS model, so this Weather Sky app, we're gonna see you the latest wind system. If we have a tropical cyclone to free form. So today we have a cyclone here near of Vietnam, a tropical depression, but this TC will never get landfall or enter the Philippine air responsibility. That's his chances. So we also have to one of the typhoon also need to monitor is this storm. So we can see that this storm has been landfall. I think today has been landfall that this storm is now in the areas of India. So in the areas of India, so we're gonna find out that this storm is about to hit the country. So stay safe and be prepared. So we'll find out if the models agree. So let's move the model for 1 day advance. Let's see if we have a monitor cyclone. So with a week, okay, so our northeast monsoon, good week. So it will be affecting only the extreme north of the zone. In 14, Wednesday, so the strong surge of northeast monsoon could be started again. In 15, so maybe the northeast monsoon could now really affect the areas in the whole areas of the zone until the upper or the northern of Visayas. So we don't have any circulation. 16. In 16, the strong northeast monsoon could reach here over the eastern section of the country. So I think it could be bringing light to moderate rains. Maybe we have a light to moderate rains could the areas here in the area of Polillo Islands and areas of Bicol Region. So we have to monitor that for the possible surge of the northeast monsoon. We'll continue to monitor until Saturday, the weekend. So it continue to extend that this storm or this northeast monsoon could continue to reach the areas in some parts of the country. So let's see until 18. So continue of this storm is continuing, though this northeast monsoon will continue to viral in the areas, especially to the eastern section of the country, may trigger flash floods and landslides. Mostly we have rains at the eastern section. So we have a current storm tropical cyclone or current storm information, except a Varda. So we have a 91 W Invest tropical depression east of Vietnam, and the 98S Invest. So they are far away from the Philippine air responsibility, but they could bring a light to moderate rains to the areas that may be affected. So this is the latest daily weather forecast issued by Typhoon Watch. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed our daily weather forecast. We have only 13 days. Merry Christmas and God bless.